We're staying in this neighborhood in Osaka. Airbnb. So this is yung Airbnb, yung nilabasan nila dyan, no? That's Airbnb. Uy, may sampay sa taas. Pagdating mo sa traffic light niya, that's intersection. You have yung 7-Eleven, Family Mart. Okay, this is the residential area, no, ng Osaka. So it's just a train ride away. Kung malaking group kasi, very expensive if you stay near the Namba station.
Here tayo? Let's cross.
Cross tayo. Dito tayo mag-cross tayo. Okay lang dito mag-cross. We can cross. Ilan? 8 minutes pa. Okay lang. So may schedule na bus na rota. Every hour lang dumadaan here. We're going to Nara. No, this is a city in between Kyoto at saka Osaka daw na seldom visited. So commute yung time namin ngayon because we're done with the long distance driving, no? Osaka, Tokyo and back. Cities na dinaanan namin. This one, itong PU na to, specialization yung mga dens ng cars. So we're staying here, Airbnb here. Ito yung neighborhood areas ng residential neighborhood areas ng Osaka. The bus will arrive 5 minutes.